Hi everyone, welcome to Health First Now application by Head First Now team. So we have developed this application to bridge the gap between hospitals for referring the patients and giving the access to their system and reading the information about their in-house patient and giving them a smooth transition process and automating the internal hospital processes. So we have created this application. On this portal, we have couple of features like patient home. So on patient home, we have couple of catalogs which can be utilized individually, and we have made a fusion of all of these catalogs in one, like this one. Once you populate all the details, I've populated all of them already, and you hit submit, you'll be able to book an appointment and register in patient simultaneously. After that, there's a one more good feature for doctors to test. Once a doctor can jump on to all appointments and all patients, and they can select an appointment just by clicking on the appointment like this, and they'll be able to assign a prescription to that patient like this, and they can manage their work like this. And the main takeaway out of this application is patient referral system. When there's a need to refer a patient to other hospital or to network hospital, then we have the facility for hospital staff to go ahead and select a patient and fill a patient referral form like this and open a patient referral for network hospital or non-network hospital. And by doing this, a network hospital doctor will receive an email in their mailbox, and along with that mailbox, they'll get a link to open and enter the patient ID. Patient ID will be shared via different mailbox email, and after they'll access that patient information. So after they'll enter the patient ID on this portal. So this alien doctor is entering into ServiceNow from outside without even logging into ServiceNow. They'll just enter the patient ID and hit submit. Then after that, they'll be able to view all the details about the patient, whatever details hospital wanted to share, see, they'll be able to share it. And as soon as doctor hit accepted and hit submit, they'll trigger a notification and trigger a condition for all the automated workflows for hospital staff to prepare a discharge summary, prepare an ambulance transition, prepare asset allocation, deallocation, something like that. Moreover, this alien doctor have the facility to review and download all the reports associated with the patient like this. He'll be able to just click on it, and zip file will attach all the attachments, all the reports attached for this patient record, and they'll be able to review it on their local machine just like this. So I have attached this Excel sheet and one image. Apart from that, uh, doctors would be able to see their patient status. So as soon as you accept this, it'll trigger a workflow and it'll vanish all the information from this portal. And now you'll be able to see this workflow is completed. Ambulance service has been triggered. If you see here, there are 15 tasks as of now. So ambulance ticket will be raised for the respective team, and they'll be notified about the patient ambulance services. That's it. Thank you. So as soon as the doctor on the portal accepted this patient, on the patient referral record, the teams will be notified about the patient referral acceptance. As you can see, this has been closed and referral status has been updated to accepted. And Simultaneously, all the teams will know that this patient is going to other hospital and his referral has been accepted. So this is one of the amazing feature we have introduced. We have introduced a non-network user to access the information we want to give him access to in a very secured manner. So this is what we wanted to demonstrate. Thank you for watching. And last but not the least, we have future scope for this application like this. We wanted to integrate this application with SAP and Oracle Labs in order to mark the transactions happening for patients, for appointments, for doctor prescriptions. And we want to save them in ERP systems like Oracle or SAP. We want to introduce asset tracking, medical device asset tracking, and repair monitoring via this application. And we wanted to introduce a machine learning AI feature for medical treatment. It will be a supervised machine learning. So as soon as data will get mature, uh, bot will be, application would be able to suggest doctors that you have already prescribed these medicines in future and they work well for these patients. And features like smooth doctoral appointment rosters, availability, etc. Thank you for watching.